Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a vocoder on that, and then that's going to make the sound like that. Now then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the carrier, we're going to choose external, and then that's going to give us another drop down bar where we can choose the monopoly, which is number 6, and then that percussion is then going to trigger the pad we've got underneath. So what I like to do is obviously get this all into sync with our swing. That sounds pretty good.